Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the AutoSleep app for Apple Watch and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. AutoSleep is a sleep tracking app designed specifically for Apple Watch users. Unlike Apple's built-in sleep app, AutoSleep offers more detailed insights into sleep quality, duration, and recovery. The app automatically tracks your sleep when you wear your Apple Watch overnight, and it can also estimate rest periods, even if you don't wear the watch to bed. Its goal is to help users better understand their sleep patterns and make informed choices about their health. In terms of performance, many users appreciate AutoSleep's depth of analysis. The app provides detailed reports on sleep duration, deep sleep, light sleep, heart rate, and readiness scores. The dashboard is visually clear, using rings and graphs that make it easy to see how well you slept at a glance. For those who want more detail, the app also includes advanced metrics, such as sleep efficiency and nightly trends. Another strength is automation. You don't need to press a button before bed. AutoSleep works in the background and syncs with the Health app on iPhone. Over time, it builds patterns to help you identify habits that improve or hurt sleep quality. The app is also a one-time purchase, which users often prefer compared to ongoing subscriptions. On the downside, some people find the amount of data overwhelming at first. The advanced metrics may require a bit of learning to fully understand. A few users report occasional inconsistencies if the watch is not worn snugly. And unlike subscription services such as Whoop or Fitbit Premium, AutoSleep doesn't include coaching or personalized guidance, just the data. In summary, AutoSleep is worth using if you want a powerful, one-time purchase app to track and analyze your sleep in detail with Apple Watch. It's not as beginner-friendly as Apple's own app, but it's ideal for users who want deeper insights and long-term trends. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.